I'm Tori, and today I'm going to be showing you what's new in SageCM as of the October 2024 release. So here I've made this little cheat sheet, and then if you would like to read the full release notes, you can go to SCM and then click this little question mark up here, click what's new, and you'll have the release notes right there for you. So to start in the analytics area, in the ERP job to date costs, we now have some extra financial summaries using SCM Prime Invoice Gross and ERP job to costs. Also, if we go to Vendor Hub, you can create bills from PDF or image and miscellaneous expenses from PDF or image. You've been able to create these from images, but Sage AI is now the third-party OCR service in SCM, so you can enable automated conversion of PDFs or images into structured financial data. It's going to extract the data from the invoices on the purchase orders, generating bills based on their detailed line items, totals, and purchase order information. So SCM is now going to handle the document upload and the OCR process directly. Some other enhancements are the unlink Prime contract after you switch accounting systems, or the project currency is going to be locking after posting Prime contracts and can only be modified by administrators. You are also able to remove reference for owner codes and worker compensation codes in the job cost codes on projects. So if we go to projects here, and go to job cost codes. You can select all of these, choose bulk action, and remove owner code reference or workers' comp code reference. Then next in the leads, if you're on leads, you can click the Cabana view of leads, which is really cool. Then you can also save negative percentage in estimates, include comments when importing costs of work orders, and additional export options in the HR export time cards. There are some other small enhancements that were not put on the cheat sheet, but are still great enhancements. And since they were too small, I did not stick them on there, but you can go to your reference notes and you're able to see these small enhancements. So now we're going to go on to the enhancements of the accounting link with Sage Intacct. So SCM has now added something called ALSIC mapping. So now it's going to allow you to select which Intacct field to map for the employee's name when importing employees from Intacct. So here, if we go to posting preferences, then we're going to go to general preferences, scroll down until we get to employee import mapping, and it's going to allow you to select one of those. So there's also tax code linking. So when you're exporting bills, sub-invoices, or prime invoices, SCM now verifies the tax codes are linked to Intacct tax item or tax schedule. If there's no link found, there's going to be an error message that appears. There's also customer and project title updates. So when you're updating estimates or contacts via the accounting link for Intacct, the system now checks for any changes in the project title or customer in SCM's Prime contract. Also, in posting preferences, we can go to job to date. And here we are able to map Intacct cost types to SCM cost resources. So now the Intacct cost types are mapped to the 5 cost resources available in posting preferences within SCM. So now the timesheet posting preference enhancements. If we go to timesheet here, later this month, this will come in, but it has not come in just yet. You can now search labor codes in the labor code linking preferences. And the SCM has updated the timesheet tab, replacing the previous checkbox with a drop-down menu. So you have now 3 options: do not post, post, or retreat. And then on posting preferences and set property per equipment item. So now in your equipment tab in the posting preferences, a new checkbox has been added into the equipment tab to allow showing only equipment items that have time cards. And to do this, you're going to scroll down. You can click equipment item linking preferences. And then here you would select this checkbox, show only equipment items that have time cards. And lastly, in time cards, an additional tip is now included to clarify which company to select for the vendor name. Right here. And also the note that includes information for aggregating equipment time cards has been updated with additional details. And that is what's new in SCM as of the October 2024 release. The next release is set in sometime before the new year.